now to gather the offerings.
The colony holds some deeply alien customs.
This way, please. It'll be faster if we climb up this way.
Might as well claim this.
Whoa, got a rare doodah right here.
Just get on and slide.
Think this is how it goes.
Okay. Have it.
Hold tight.
Oh, a container.
Good thing we found this. Say, over there.
Woohoo! This gets the blood pumping, eh?
We've so got to do that again.
I've never traveled so far from my colony before.
You'll do just fine, Juniper. Let's go.
Could that be a path? Hey, that looks like a way forward.
I'll show ya. Eat this!
That's a big help. Still do this.
Stay on guard for now.
This is power. I'll show ya.
I should have done more. Mia, you can't. Please, no.
I gotta push through this.
Are you
Time
okay?
to win out the big gun. I'll wreck 'em good.
No escape. I'm serious.
Anything you take.
Welcome me, everyone.
I'm sorry.
I'll get you big shape in no time.
Just a little more.
We can't have you lying down.
Okay,
Got
back on my feet. Appreciate it.
Come on now.
Eat this.
This is bad. I'll patch you up. Unstoppable!
We can hit hard with the chain attack.
Yeah, let's do this!
We are more than capable.
How's this for a plan? All right! I'll lead!
I can follow the help! You're dead!
This isn't the end!
Do you think this plan might work? Yippee!
I'll lead!
I'm with you. Out of the frying pan and into the fire.
Kevez and Agnes are both fully mobilized. We'll have to pick them off one at a time.
Sweet, let's poke around.
Shall we deal with this? Hold tight. I'm curious to see what tactics you have in place surrounded by so much nature.
What say we go hunting together?
Everyone, get some rest.
I definitely feel stronger.
Finished.
Come on, I want to use it quick.
Nothing to be sniffed at.
Come on, I want to use it quick.
Finished.
Come on, I want to use it quick. That should do it, you think?
It's vital to keep a record of events.
Gasp! Food is entirely missing! Manana not even gets single fill of stomach yet.
I just saw you stuffing your cheeks.
The rations should have been divided equally.
Manana walked more than used to today. Tummy was rumbly grumbly.
Not much we can do, though. Not now.
Manana, look, we've still got a ways to go. So you're gonna have to get used to rationing stuff out, okay?
Oh, the food's completely gone.
What's up? What's wrong?
What did you say was gone?
I think she was yelling about food.
What? No way. For real?
Friend sure did not just put elsewhere and forget.
Nuh-uh. I'm positive it was right here.
Indeed. I checked it myself before I turned in.
Don't tell me someone scoffed the whole lot.
Ah, no way.
Manana will leave no plate unpolished. That awful, false accusation! Not even Manana ever stooped to such crude, vulgar behavior.
All right, we get it. Just chill out already.
Manana refused to become frosty. This now matter of honor and dignity. For starters.
I know Manana was feeling a bit peckish, but she can't have eaten up the lot.
So who then?
Really, it wasn't Riku. That guy barely eats at all, right?
Indeed. Riku practiced ancient Noppon art of restraint.
Hey, check it.
Manana do not.
A feather? But what kind?
I found tracks. Here.
Nobody's blaming you here.
These footprints. I think they're Turkin.
Mystery solved then. A Turkin feather.
So they raided our supplies.
Lands can stop apology. Honor and dignity of Manana left in tatters for a vile and baseless accusation.
Come on, please, lighten up already.
All accusations aside,
Even if received 10,000
we're really
places
strapped for food.
Guess we'll have to go foraging.
Before you ate 'em.
I concur.
Accusation is not foregone. Manana
Luckily, this area is pretty bountiful all in all, so we might not be too hard pressed.
Well, better get to it.
Right.
Just before.
Okay.
Anyway, that clearly too much eat. Manana is bottomless pit.
Meh? What? Well, had Riku know, Manana is dainty eater.
Not denying.
Lies and deceit. On this day of days, Manana will have retribution!
Looks like we've got ourselves a runner. Slipped out from the castle.
Is this okay? He could get in touch with Ouroboros. Won't that impact our previous arrangements?
Not to worry. If he does make contact, they'll come.
Really?
Ouroboros are simply like that.
Well, if you say so, we can probably take your word. Right, O?
Certainly. As you say, P, we probably can take his word.
Anlude meat is sparking amazing.
Guess we know what's on the menu today then.